What's up, guys? If your guys' rear, like your backup lights, if they're constantly on when you're in gear even, this is the part you need to change, right? This is your backup light sensor, okay? It's literally located like right underneath your intake. Right there. This part is so simple to change. You literally just unplug it. And I've already broken it loose. See how dirty that is? I could probably clean it. But it's just easier for me, since I'm gonna have strawberry forever, to undo it. What the other one looks like. And just to put it back on, I literally just took it off with a crescent wrench. Super easy. And now your backup lights are gonna work, and they're not gonna be constantly on. I actually disconnected them because they were constantly on, and that was annoying and incorrect. So I have to go and connect them again. Oh, that's kind of dirty. And if you're like me, where you got tired of your lights, yes, you got tired of your lights being on, you're gonna have to go back here and connect them again. Once you literally unscrew that piece, like, just connect it again. Alright, you guys, that is literally it. Like, as soon as you replace that sensor and you plug in those lights again, it's not going to be on all the time, and it'll actually work now. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys, and have fun.